This is the sourdough recipe that works for me. Some people use different measurements, but this one is personally the one that works for me. First step, I get a bowl. We're gonna tear down the scale and we're gonna add water. So first step, 300 grams of water. Perfect. 300. I'm gonna add 100 grams of bubbly, active sourdough starter. Her name is Olive. I don't do nothing to this scale. This is what I do. If you pour a little too much, you pour a little too much. Sourdough expert says that if your starter is floating like that and stay above the water, it means that you should continue the process. If it doesn't, it means throw this away and start again. I went a little overboard. I honestly don't mind, but usually it's about 100. At this point, I'm going to take the bowl off the scale. We are going to be doing our bread in the bread maker today, just the kneading part. So no stretch, no coils, no folds today. The machine is going to do it for me. And I'm slowly going to incorporate this. Look how beautiful it is. That this is all incorporated, I'm going to put it in my Facebook Market Find bread machine. It's okay if you still have a little bit there. Bowl is back on the scale. This is flour from Sam's Club. It's the bread and pizza flour, and I'm going to add 450 grams. That's 2 cups. I have the 450 grams of flour. I am going to put it in here. Flour, it's in here. I'm going to add salt, ancient fine sea salt. I get mine from Thrive Market. I have these little wooden spoons, bamboo spoons that I picked up from Amazon. And some people put 10 grams of salt. I put 2 of these spoons, but it's equal to about 10 grams of salt. And that's it. I close it. The dough setting, because I don't want to bake my bread here. I just want the machine to work for me and start. And that's it. That's my recipe. How I do my sourdough bread. It's like this. So now what I'll do is I take it out of here, put it in a bowl with a wet towel, and leave it there to ferment. Now that it's in a bowl, I got this from the Dollar Tree. I cover. It's wet with water, and I stick it in the microwave, and that's when it's gonna ferment. Good morning. Pure beauty. Pure beauty. Look at that. I am making something new today. I am making Subway subs. I'm barbecuing. We need some bread for our chorizos. Let's see how this one comes out. Not bad. Not bad. Still hot. They still super hot. You know I love sandwiches. Now more than ever. Because I made that out of sourdough bread. Yum. And that's Irish butter. The best.